Get back. Go sit down. Go sit down. Now. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my famous dressing. Hey, I forgot what I was about to make for a second. So right now, I am cutting up an onion. Get back. Go, go, go. Dogs do not belong in the kitchen. Go. Go to your bed now. Good boy. So right now, I am cutting up an onion. My camera's not focused. Go sit down. My mama always told me to clean up as you go, so it won't be so much to clean up afterwards. So, right now I got my chicken on. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. You want to get you some baked chicken, not baked chicken, you want some breast, chicken breast. You can get it from Walmart or wherever you get your meat from. And you want to season it really well, and then you want to put it in a pan. Hold on, let me show you. Right now we have our chicken and it is done. And I have, it's chicken breast that has, what you call it, you have seasoned salt. I have salt, pepper, and garlic pepper seasoning in it. Then we also have our cornbread going right now. And this is, let me show you the cornbread I use. This cornbread right here, instant cornbread. I'm from the country, but baby, I don't know how to make homemade cornbread. So get you a pack of cornbread and you'll be good to go. So I let both of them cook for 25 minutes. And now it's just sitting because I have to go get some bell peppers to go with my onions. I forgot to get bell peppers. So I'm waiting till 8 o'clock to go over to get some from the store. So stay tuned. So I have onions, celery, and bell pepper. And I'm going to eventually put in the garlic. So I season it with salt, pepper, and I have it on. I'm about to saute this up, and it'll be ready to go into my dressing. So we have stovetop stuffing mix. You have an egg, 1 egg. Cream of chicken. Then you have your mixture of celery, onion, and bell pepper. Cornbread, I'm supposed to cook this the night before, but I didn't, so I let it I let it cook a little bit longer so it's a little brown. Then you mix all that up together, working your cornbread up. 1 minute, y'all. So I added my chicken in, and now I'm just going through and cutting it up. And I kind of leave, well, I already have chicken for my side, another meat. So I normally probably would leave a piece of chicken within the dressing, like I would leave a whole piece. But since I have chicken on the recipe already for today, I'm gonna cut it all up. And I try to get them in small pieces. My husband likes his chicken fine. And also another tip, keep your the chicken broth that came from your chicken. So it's homemade. It's not the bought chicken broth. You can buy box things of chicken broth, but I try to keep my actual chicken broth from the chicken. And I allow my chicken to cook for 20 minutes, 25 minutes. And this is where we at, y'all. As you can see, I poured in some of my chicken broth, and I'm trying to, I make mine the way I like it. I mean, you may like yours soupy, you may not, you may like a dry dressing, but I like mine like not too dry and not too soupy. I don't like a soupy dressing, so I'm working with what I have and my liking. Then you go in with your, where is it at? Then you go in with your sage, and you put sage, you do it according to your liking, kind of like the same as with the chicken broth. You may like a lot of sage, you may not like a lot of sage. Me personally, I don't like a lot of sage. So just go by your taste, and you can taste it now in this stage, and you'll see what you like and what you don't like. So we are finished. I ended off with, I top it off with butter. I'm gonna put her in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. Put it on for 30 and come check it at 30. If it looks ready, take it out. If not, let's do 45 minutes. So I am finished. I cooked some chicken, baked chicken. This is a dressing. Jeremy already been eating in it. And I cooked it for 45 minutes. And we got some peas. We got some mac and cheese, corn, greens. So hopefully this was easy, an easy way to make not biscuits, to make I can't even get it out. Dressing. Hopefully it was an easy way to make dressing and simple. I'll probably put the ingredients down below, but simple, easy way my sister told me how to cook it. I think my mama started this way too, but mama she make hers homemade, but this is an easy way to do it. So for you moms or whoever, girlfriends, wife, whatever you're trying to do, whatever you are, you want to do something for your man and he think you can really cook, go on do this and hook it up for your boy. But peace out. Our food is ready for church. When we get back home, we don't have to go out to eat. We got food here at the house. So I'll see you guys on tomorrow. I can show y'all the cutest thing. Hey, Ollie. Look. Hey. How about them boys? Say, how about them boys, mama? How about them boys? Look at me. Check your girl out. We are a Cowboys family on Sunday. Yes.